The EanOruus 3-in-1 cold-press juicer stands out for its ability to handle fresh juice, nut milk, and fruit sorbet in a single sturdy machine, making it especially appealing for health-focused kitchens. Its very wide feed chute comfortably fits whole produce like apples or oranges, so you spend far less time chopping and can get a full pitcher of juice ready quickly on busy mornings. The generous 100-ounce hopper is ideal for families or batch juicing, letting you prepare several servings at once without constantly stopping to reload ingredients. Because it uses a high-torque alternating current brushless motor, the juicer maintains a slow, powerful squeeze that extracts a lot of liquid while keeping noise to a low background hum. As a masticating design, it works efficiently on fibrous greens and hard vegetables, producing smooth juice with relatively dry pulp and better nutrient retention than typical high-speed centrifugal models. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the fully dishwasher-safe detachable parts and removable pulp system. And the clean gray finish looks modern enough to leave on the counter every day.